ne Filipino ki one of the traditional food although I imanabi Filipino sida laire ado ay ma introduce to halake habadi sije khoi tomato har si khamen je moi gi maron da kai hai kholi adu kamai thong wa je mana ta han doi ne ba adu du kan da khoi plug ai su tam doi ne adu kan da taste tong mina doi ne se koksla ga introduce to han de yes.
Hi, I'm Joy from Philippines. Now, what are you gonna do?
We are gonna cook pork sinigang. It's one of the traditional food of Filipino.
Yes.
So she will introduce that. What is it called in your Filipino language? Like just introduce to my people. Like
Okay. So we have here this one. Don't worry, guys. We wash our hand before we start. This one is we called it kamatis. And yeah, this tomato in English, and this one is kamatis. This is sibuyas, onion, and this is labanos, radish, and string beans, and sitaw in Tagalog. And of course, sinigang will be better if you have this mix. This is a sour taste, but this makes the whole sinigang good. That's it.
but in Manipur we don't have this sinigang powder. So is it okay to put only this tamarind instead of this sinigang powder?
Yeah, actually from the old age, we use only the pure, this one, pure sampalok, which is the tamarind one. Tamarind, yeah. Let's start.
And pechay.
Yeah, actually, we're using kangkong. That is a morning glory. But since here in Dubai, it's morning glory is not available always. So alternatives, we will use pechay.
And the last is pork.
Yeah, the main ingredients of all. Pork, this one.
Konji maza laidre. San kharaga no me do should sida tawrag. The first step is we have to boil the pork first and then
Yeah, let it boil for 10 to 20 minutes to make sure the pork will get tender. So we'll wait. Hi guys! So now our pork are boiling already. So we will remove all these fats.
this dirty one.
The dirty one. We'll remove all this. So after removing the fats, we will start put the kamatis, which is onion, tomato,
Kamen asinbi. Manipuri.
okay,
And
also the sibuyas, which is onion, so let's wait for this to boil so that the flavor of onion and tomato will go to the meat and with the soup. Our pork, onion, and tomato is boiling, so we can put the labanos, which is radish. What is this in your language?
Okay, hanggang maluka. Labanos.
Yeah.
Manipuri. Hanggamula.
Hanggamula. Hanggamula. So let's put this one here. Guys, don't forget to wash your hand, ha? Hanggamula.
Labanos. Labanos or Lebanon?
Labanos. See, and now I have accent. So, again, we'll wait it to boil so that the radish will get tender. So, guys, boiling again. So, we will put the hawang asang B.
Hawai asang B.
Hawai asang B.
Ang Filipino, talong.
No, it's sitaw. Sitaw.
Sitaw. So we'll put sitaw.
Sitaw. We'll put sitaw now.
It's okay. Just
Like this. So again, we'll let them boil. So sinigang is more on boiling the meat and then the vegetables so that it will be tender when you eat all. Later for that one. So let's wait this one. Looks so yummy now.
I think this. We need to put more water.
No.
Okay, hꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ sinigang powder ꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯞꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦ. ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯪꯒꯦꯗꯩꯅꯦ ꯕꯁꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ try ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯒꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ fresh mangedo adu adum happaga tawba yaena so hai ado mayam try tawbiyo akoi loirakanda so hajarake taste kamai tawe. So let's put
So we will put this one now. Open it. So put all in the
all.
yeah, all.
She's nan mahaw le haligi.
So we'll mix it this one. And then for additional taste, we can add also some salt and
Pepper.
pepper.
Did you put salt?
Yeah, little. We'll put salt. This is pepper. And then some salt to taste. See? So we'll wait again this one to boil so that the flavor of the tamarind will goes to the meat and then the soup. So guys, for our final touch, we will put this pechay. So what do you call this one in your country, Sarla?
Actually, I have never seen this one in Manipur, so I kai no khangre mayam chije kai mana oidoi no khangde chije ado mayam khangba yaurga de dum comment da haibiramo tasena khangre sinde. I really don't know this one.
So this one called pechay in our country. So we'll put this one for the final one. And then we will just soak this one little. And our pork sinigang is ready to eat. Put this one. We'll mix it. Yeah, Sarla, can you pass me the other one? This one. Mix. So again, the pechay is just an alternative because the morning glory is not available. Not that available always
But
here
we
in
have
the
morning glory in Manipur, not this pechay.
Ah, okay. So
Kolamni ne
so
kangkong je.
so
China
guys,
de phangrasu kolamni hapaya magi mahutta. Pechay je mahutta. Ado Manipur da kaino le kangju.
this is our finished product of sinigang na baboy. See? Looks yummy.
Let's try.
So, in our country, we're eating the pork sinigang with the condiments of fish sauce and a chili. And it's also a perfect combination with the rice because in Philippines, rice is life. So, try it now, Sarla.
Rice is life.
Yes. So try it first without anything.
This is the hanggamula.
Hanggamula.
And this is the like this.
Pechay. And
This one
then
is Hawaii asangbi.
Hawaii sangbi.
Yeah, Hawaii asangbi. It's the combination B.
Yes.
Tilhau.
Tilahau.
Tacos.
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 Tacos. Try it first without the rice and then tell your netizens how it tastes with the soup first. You take it. How it tastes?
It's yummy.
I
like it.
So try it with the rice. With this fish sauce is a good combination.
With fish sauce.
Yeah. You put little of this one and then that one with the rice. Put some vegetables.
That's how you eat it. So
It's okay. Try it. How is it? Good. Sorry now. How it tastes? You like it?
I already tried, but it's very nice.
How's the pork? The pork
The pork is,
so tender?
yeah.
How about the vegetable? Well cooked? Yes. So nayam su try to beyo how bani? Am I saying right?
Yeah. Like mayam su try to bio how bani.
Nayam su try how ban atayobyo? How bani?
Try to bio. To bio.
Tobyo.
How bani.
How bani?
Let me try again. Let's try together.
Let's put some sauce. Little. And some fish sauce. Eat, guys. Sarap.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Sinigang na baboy masarap.
Yes.
Right?
Kung sa dum na mayam na, subscribe, like, share, and comment.
To bio.
Sabi Love from the Philippines.
Ayan, pwede.